This video demonstrates how to set up access for parents so they can view student information in WebTess. To begin, sign into WebTess as an admin user. Then go to Security, Set up Parent Access, and choose Set up Parent Access. This screen shows the information that parents can see when they log into WebTess. All screens are read-only. You can select to show demographics, including the student photo, then attendance, and select the range of dates that parents can see. You can select to show the current schedule. If teachers have Web Gradebook, they can assign homework, which can be seen by the parents. If you use course objectives and assessments, you can select the report period to show to the parents. Using grades, you can select the report periods that parents can see online. They can also see the overall value from the gradebook if you wish. You can also choose to show transcripts. If you have the Accounts module, you can show parents the accounts data, including by a selected range of dates. If you use the Documents module, you can make documents available to the parents, as well as allow them to upload new documents such as permission slips, medical information, proof of vaccination, etc. If you use the IEP module for individual education plans, the students can be allowed to view these documents online. Finally, you can set the password policy, which allows parents to change their passwords and control which emails can be used to reset passwords. You can also create reports, such as report cards, which can be published, which allows parents to see the report cards online. The idea is to allow parents to view report cards online rather than emailing them out to parents. Go to Security, Set up Parent Access, and Publish Reports. Currently, you can choose from the Demographics report, which is a full page of all student information, and the report card. To publish the report card, click Report Card. This list shows the students where the report card has already been published, which means that the parents of these students can see the report card. The process of publishing the report card will print the current report card as a PDF file which the parents can view. So you should only publish the report card when the marks have been entered and they are ready to be sent to parents. You would click on Publish and then Publish Documents. You can then select the students and you can see that it's already been set up with report periods that were selected when the report cards were set up. You would select students that you want to publish report cards for and then click OK. Now when you go back to Security, Set up Parent Access, and Publish Reports, you will see it'll show the number of students that have had the report cards published. And under View Document, you can click on the student and then see their report card as it appears published and as the parents will see it. When the parent logs into WebTess, they will be able to see these reports. In order for parents to have access to WebTess, you must have already entered their email addresses into the student demographics. Then WebTess can assign a random password to each parent. Go to Security, Set up Parent Access, and choose Set up WebTess Passwords. The purpose of this function is to assign a random password which must be reset by the parent the first time they access the system. By assigning a random password initially, it prevents anyone from simply trying a parent's known email address. You can choose to assign missing passwords to email addresses. This means addresses which have not already been assigned a password. Or you can assign new passwords to selected email addresses. And you can select the option to edit existing passwords. First, select the students. Then you can select the email type. So you could, for example, only set a password for the main email address, or you can have a separate email address which is just used for WebTess. You can then set the list of valid characters in the password and the length of the password. Then click OK. Once you have assigned the random passwords, you can send an email to parents with a link that will allow them to reset their passwords. Go to Security, Set up Parent Access, Email Passwords. You can select the parents to send the reset link. Then click OK. Now you can select the email address type to send this email to, enter a title for the email address, and then enter in a custom message providing parents with the link along with any other instructions you want to send. This is the basic message, but you can edit it and put anything else you'd like in there with more details. And then you would click Send. This will send out an email to the parents, and when the parents receive the email, they can click the reset link in the email, and it will take them to the WebTess login screen where they can reset and change their passwords. Once they have done this, they will have access to the student information for their children. To sign in, the parent goes to the main WebTess login page, and they use their email address and the password that they have been assigned or they've reset to. Once logged in, they can select from their children to view the information that the school has allowed access to. Just click on the student, and in the student information screen they can see the various components that are available, including the current demographics, attendance, the current schedule, grades, transcripts, and accounts. Parents can see published documents and individual education plans. To see the report card, for example, they just click on Report Card and it will download and show them the PDF file for their student. With the optional Documents module, parents can view letters and forms and other documents online, as well as upload documents that you allow them to upload. The optional individual education plan shows the details for this student that have already been set up. Contact us if you'd like to know more information about the individual education plan. The parent can select a student to switch between their children at the school. This completes the process of setting up parent access for WebTess.